Today we'd like to show you how different transaction documents work in Paragon. Transaction documents are sales orders, quotes, invoices, pick and pack tickets, and shipments. You can choose how these documents work together in Paragon to create the workflow that represents how you actually manage your business. Let's start with a sales order. Let's show you what a sales order looks like in Paragon today. When you open up a sales order, it carries the information from the customer file onto the sales order. This would include the addresses that you've set up for that customer, as well as the business terms that are appropriate to your customer base onto the sales order. These are the terms that are in the middle of the screens. You can configure those to include the information that is most relevant for you in the sales order and for your customer. You can create invoices in Paragon from other documents. You can create them from sales orders, quotes, shipments, or manual. Let's create one from a sales order. When you select a sales order, the information on the invoice screen carries the information from the sales order that you've selected in your initial setup to carry across, or it has additional fields that you find important to show on an invoice. You can edit this invoice by adding or removing items on the list, or you can add additional charges. Once finished, you can save and you can issue, or print and send to your customer. Once you've completed your sales order and invoice, we can go and review the activity in the sales journal. When you expand the filter on the sales journal, you will see all the same attributes or fields of information that were on your invoice screen. You can highlight and select different pieces to filter your information. You can expand the individual lines to see the transaction level details. We also have a Visualizations tab. In here, you will find an interactive display of all the information that's in the sales journal. You can highlight and select and see the underlying details. This was only a small overview of the different transaction documents that are available in Paragon. By connecting them together in the chain that works for you, you customize your workflow within Paragon. It makes it easy to follow your entire sales cycle from one end to the other.